Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So I'm here with another hair review, showing you guys how I got this really quick, easy style in less than 20 minutes. I love my natural meets bundle styles. So if you would like to see how I got this really cute half crown braid with this water wave bundles, just keep watching. So I'm here with Nadula here, showing you guys that they sent me some lashes as well as these beautiful bundles. This is their natural wave. The ponytail I'm using is in a 20-inch, even though it looks super long, like longer than 20 inches. And they also sent me a 20-inch frontal. So this is what my hair is looking like. I did wash it and condition it, and I'll leave a link down below showing you guys what I did. I tried the rice water method with a little twist on it. So click the link down below because that rice water has my hair feeling so good. So I'm just sectioning off my hair, adding in some of my handmade hair cream, and then blow drying my hair. I haven't blow dried my hair in probably like a good 3 months. Like, it's been a minute. I tried to stay away from like actually blow drying it. So I'm blow drying it and then twisting it off so that I can do the rest of my hair. So I'm blow drying in sections, and then once I get down to my last section, I'll blow dry that and then just blow dry it all together so that I can get it, pretty straight. Not able to get it really straight, but it's pretty stretched out. So yes, hair looking good, super healthy, has this nice little luster to it. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all click the link down below so y'all can see how I did the rice water and all of the steps that I took. So now I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair from ear to ear so that I can, do my crown braid. So just pick that out. And here I'm just going to go ahead and take my comb so I can do my little side swoop so that I can have this braid coming around. And that's all. Just make sure my part is straight, and that's it. So I end up having really like 2 sections, and then I'm just gonna kind of pull that hair over to the side, just have this one little section where I'm gonna have this side braid, and then everything else is going to be coming around. I hope that makes sense. You can see. So I'm taking this Murray's beeswax and putting that to kind of get my hair to stay down. I didn't want to use jam or any kind of spritz, so I just used this Murray's, which is perfectly fine. You don't have to worry about that damaging your hair because it's not even going to stay in your hair long. And then I'm using this Iamblessedhands edge control around my edges. At first I really wasn't feeling it, but I think it then grew on me because with this style it made my hair do really good. However, it does turn white. I haven't found the edge control yet that doesn't turn white or like a little white, but this one turned a little white, but it did really well on my hair. So I like that. And I guess maybe because I wash my hair, and usually when I be doing my hair, it don't be on freshly washed hair. So maybe that's why I had a little difference to it when I used this edge control this time. But so far, my top edge control is probably Style Booster. Even though that don't be getting on my nerves sometimes too, I really don't have a favorite because y'all be asking me, but I don't know. So back to this braid. I'm just braiding my hair, trying to get it as close to my hairline as possible, even though it don't look like I'm trying to get as close, but I am. But that's just where it's like laying. So I'm braiding it, and make sure you are pulling that top piece near the crown of your head down so that you won't have it real poofy right there, since we didn't put any edge control. So I'm just going around and get my little braid, y'all. I want to dread. I'm going to make me a princess dress, so if y'all would like to see, let me know in the comment section and I'll show you guys how I start off my dread. Yeah, I've been wanting like 2 dreads in the back ever since I seen this girl. I'm so jelly with it. Like 2-3 years ago. Oh my god, so cute. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep working my way on around and then just braid that all the way down, and that's how it should look. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, finger comb it, add some beeswax to the top, and then take some of that edge control and put it around my edges, and then just swoop my edges and to how I like it, like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start off my braid. I'm starting my braid off loose so that it won't pull my edges that I just swooped. And then once I get past that part, I start to grip it a little harder, and make sure you pulling that part at the top down so that you won't have like any either humps. So I got me some Pump It Up, y'all. I done took it back, got me some Pump It Up. Yes, I do have alcohol, and no, I don't care. And it's burning like I gotta relax. What in the world? I guess that could be the alcohol. Okay guys, so here I am doing my edges with this little comb brush I got from the hair store for $1. And warning, I am ready to get super hype over my edges. Somebody better come stop me! Hold up, wait a minute, wait, cause I'm ready to be looking real wavy over here. I know y'all don't like when my edges be extra, frontal, natural, whatever, but baby girl, shout it, little mix was time. And y'all, the thing is, my mirror is so far back, I can barely see what I'm doing. But I know I got edges, got edges. Rice, what is up, Rice? Call me Rice for now. Girl, if I ain't got a relaxer. Y'all, my hair looks so good. And that rice water then bless the child. Put that little pin right there, and y'all look natural style. Let me put some earrings on. Damn. Okay, hoops. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair while I do my ponytail part. You can definitely stop here. At this point, looks really good, looks really nice. I am like so happy. I don't even, ooh! I can't stop looking at it. Okay, because this video gonna be extra long. So, let me go ahead and, y'all like my shirt? My sister gave it to me. Okay. And it's a nice little crop, crop top. Crop. Edges on fleek. All right, let me stop playing. And I'm keeping my tracks doubled and just gonna hairpin them bad boys on there. So turn this into a little dookie ball. Just add in my bundles. Alright guys, and this part is pretty self-explanatory. All you gotta do is just wrap the hair around your ponytail, and that's really it. I'm going to take a piece of hair and wrap it around the base so that you can't see my tracks. Secure that down with a hairpin, take off my scarf, and voila. Okay y'all, so this is what it looks like. I was going to do a fishtail braid, but I really think I'm just going to leave it. And I don't know if this is a 20-inch or I don't know what inch bundle this is, but it is a long inch. It says 20. This thing looking like 22, 24. That. It's not a 20-inch. It's not a 20. So pretty. Let me fix the back of my neck though. And I'm taking that same edge control I am blessed and putting that on the back. I probably should have used some gel or something because it didn't stay up, but yeah. And that's all for this style. I think it was really cute. I'm pretty sure if you blow dry your hair more, or if your hair isn't as coarse as mine, you can probably get it a little sleeker, but that is as good as I can get. And honey, you couldn't tell me nothing because I was so in love with this style. Then the fact that my hair is growing and looking really healthy and good, I was so excited. But yes, check out these bundles. Y'all make sure y'all click the link down below so that y'all can get y'all hair from Nadula. I worked with this company so many times and they have never ever let me down. So go check them out, and please thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.